lived with a lot of spasms and muscle pain. A lot. I just thought it was part of life, what I had to live with. Well, first of all, he told me that my third and fourth vertebrae is degenerating. So it would squeeze together against whatever liquid or cushion, and then that would shoot the liquids out to the muscle, so I would get spasms. And sometimes it goes all the way down the arms. It goes variously down the back, all the way to the lower. The shoulders here are the worst, and I mean, sometimes it's just straight pain sometimes. And then sometimes you've got the pain and the spasms going on. You know, and you're just like, so when I started getting the pain blocks, it relieved that, and it was like a miracle. Because I mean, I went to chiropractors and they would do it, and then I'd like, oh, that feels so good. 10 or 15 minutes after I leave, it's like the muscles, everything starts to clam up and tighten up again. So it became a waste of time. Initially, we started off with pain medication, and then the epidurals, and we do it systematically because you do certain parts of the body, and they generally, he says, usually last from 6 to 9 months. Fortunately for me, most of mine go 9 to 12 months. I told him when he first did, I was like, where has this treatment been? I swear I felt like I went to heaven and died and came back, because I lived with a lot of pain. We just advanced to I don't even know what they call it now, but it's a little electrical thing they put in your body, and it manages the pain and stuff, and that's starting to work, which will be good because then I can wing myself off of the pain medication. And that's what I like, is that they will try different things to see what works for you. If something doesn't work, then let's try something else, or let's do a combination, or let me send you to somebody to take care of this part, maybe we can handle this part. And that's one thing I do really like about them. They've always sent me to excellent doctors, referrals, excellent people. You can talk to them, you can tell them your personal problems, and they sound like they're really concerned. Not that they're getting involved or being nosy or anything about it, but that can affect your health and how you respond to treatment and stuff. So you feel like they really care about you, and I've gone through some pretty stressful time the last 2 years, and they've been wonderful. The whole office staff, I mean, everybody's been wonderful, and like I said, I've been with him a long time. One doctor told me, he goes, you must really like your doctors to travel that far. And I do. When the people start telling me about their back problems, I'm like, you gotta go see my doctor. You gotta go check this out.